Hi everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. After I stand up, I'll show you what we're planting next to, but there's a rocks here. I want to put some sweet potato vine here, and I have options. I have the Blackie, which is great. And then I have just the Marguerite, and we're not drinking. This is one of the original 5, which is great. So I thought I'd put that here along with some bulbs that come up. And here's another one. This is tricolored. It's green and pink. All of these are edible. People don't know that. Look at the roots. But I wanted to show you here. See these purple right here? Those are going to be tubers. Tubers that you could eat. A lot of people just use it as the background, you know, or the filler. And but really, in other countries, it's very edible. They eat it. And these are easy to maintain. It's almost like they're aggressive. If you ever want to get rid of them, just bring some deer into your yard. Deer seem to love it. And I used to put it in my garden because we eat a lot of sweet potato vines. And they just cremated it. So basically, I just put it in the ornamental section of our gardens, and I just pick it there because it's good to combine your edibles with your beauties, I guess. Okay, so that's it. And I'm going to show you, oh, I left it over there. I'm going to give an option. I'm either going to put these flowers that are white, which is gooseneck loose strife, and it'll bloom part of the time, or else I have this mix of orange and yellow. So let me think about it. Okay, I'll be right back. This is the area I was talking about. Okay, this stone goes into the new entrance into the summer kitchen area. So this garden is beautiful. Nobody really sits on that, it's so tall. But this was my other choice of flowers. I love these. So, and here's sweet potato vine, which I already planted. Now, notice how I kept it away from the rock, because I want to put some bulbs here. I don't want something that's going to mess with the tulip bulbs. So that'll go that way. And then on the other side, I need to landscape. Wow, it's so sunny, you can't see anything. Okay, I finished. I decided to do the crocosmia bulbs and also the Marguerite sweet potato vine. Doesn't look like much now, but it'll really be nice against the bushes that are the same color, kind of opposite color, I mean. But also, there was a video that was supposed to be loaded, and it was about doing a new section. I just cleaned it up. It was such a mess. And then I posted pictures of my neighbors that put their garden in. It looks incredible. So I'm gonna have to see what happens, but otherwise, everybody subscribe, get 2 or 3 friends to subscribe, and we're on our way. Have a great day. Bye.